Hello and welcome to Mr. Make Stuff. In today's video we are going to be showing you how to make juice for my Calamondin fruit orange tree. This is our tree and we kept it inside because it likes warm weather. We're picking some fruits and we're peeling them. We are going to make juice. It's going to be the best juice ever. We took the 3 skins off and we put it in a cup. Once you peel them, there'll be seeds inside, but that's okay. So once we peel these, we are going to crush them with a spoon to get the juice out. This is a very sour fruit, almost like lemon or lime. But when we make our juice, it will be nice because we are going to be adding sugar. So now you can see we squished the oranges and that's a glass of water, and what we're going to be doing, we're going to put a bit of water in the lemon and we're going to be mixing it. It's orange but it's like lemon and they grow really small. So now we're adding sugar. So we put 3 spoons in there, tablespoons there, for 1 cup. So now we're gonna mix it again so the sugar gets mixed. Then we're gonna put something on there so the juice comes and the orange stays up. And we squeeze it so the juice comes in the cup. And once we're finished, it will be sweet and sour. So it'll be very nice. And we're gonna add ice. So in 1 cup we're gonna add water and mix it. Now you can see the color that it looks like lemonade. It's gonna taste a bit like orange and lemon and lime and sugary. When you as much time as you mix it, it's gonna be tasty and the sugar will melt. Now we put ice cubes in there and a straw and it's ready to drink. Enjoy.